Welcome to vConnect, the digital platform for the feed-to-food industry. Get ready to master the platform using this short tutorial. Step 1. Register and create your profile. Go to www.v-connect.net and choose the event that suits your objectives. Click Register and start creating your personal profile. Then, tell us who you'd like to meet. Remember, vConnect's AI algorithm suggests the most relevant profiles based on your inputs. So, be as accurate as possible when creating your online profile. Step 2. Log in and complete the profile. Once registered, click on Login. Go to Edit Profile. Make your profile as complete as possible. You are now ready to connect. Before heading to Step 3, let's take a look at vConnect's key interface features. The main menu is on your left. At any time, click Dashboard to find highlights and interesting profiles suggested by the AI algorithm. The exhibitor list shows every supplier in attendance. Filter through them by sector, region, and more. Confirm your filters by pressing Apply or remove filters by crossing them. The Meet Match Network tab guides you to individual attendee profiles. All scheduled sessions can be found on the Live Sessions/Program tab, organized by date and time. At the virtual lounges, you will find group discussions arranged by topic and theme. Organize your own work with the My Message, My Calendar, and My Favorites tabs. And don't forget to check out product highlights. Now, Step 3. Ahead of the event, schedule your own agenda. On Meet Match Network, select your best filtered matches and select Request a Meeting. You'll then be able to send a message. Once the event starts, your confirmed meetings will be held one-on-one via vConnect's video function. Use Live Sessions to reserve your seat for e-conferences. You'll be notified when sessions are approaching. If you are interested in any of the virtual lounges, fit them into your agenda similarly. Once at the lounge, use the video, chat, and microphone features to interact with available profiles. For visitors to unlock full platform access, simply go to Upgrade Profile, add one or both items to your cart, and Pay in Platform. Check how your 3-day schedule looks. Happy with it? Congratulations! You are set to find the right business partners for new growth. Not there yet? Keep scheduling until you're satisfied. Step 4. Engage in the event. When the event goes live, you'll have 3 days real-time access to all booked activities. Need help during the event? Look to the right side panel and use the Request Help function. See you on vconnect.net.